Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to show grand total in pivot table Google Sheets. Let's begin. I apply A to Z. First of all, select table, go to Insert tab, pivot table, new sheet, create, and add rows, name, show already grand total, then product, values, amount. And now we can see this show totals, show totals column grand total and rows grand total. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.